Hey there, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we are going to make cold brew on the Voga ground control. The ground control is a multi-purpose batch brewer alternative that gives you tons of options on different types of coffee you can make, including cold brew, and that's what we'll be focusing on today. To get started, you're going to need some kind of air pot. You're going to need batch brewer filters and 200 grams of coarsely ground coffee. This is 11 on the Ditting Lab suite. You're also going to need to work on getting your temperature lowered and making sure that your stir rate is increased. So to get started, you want to change your on-screen target temperature to 110 degrees. Ours currently is there, but I will show you how. You go to the settings, go to change temperature, and you can, on a sliding scale, change it to whatever. We're going to have it at 110, and then press save. We'll go back. Now, to make your boiler temperature match your target temperature, if you've been using it as a normal batch brewer, you're going to have a higher temperature. The quickest way to get it down is to go to clean and quick rinse. If you do this a few times, it will quickly lower your boiler temperature to match your target temperature. Now, you're going to want to set your recipe, and to do this, you will go to settings, add edit recipes. In this case, we already have one saved, so you will match it to hours. For cycle 1, you will want to make your brew time 141 seconds, your volume 925 milliliters, and your vacuum time 100 seconds. Cycle 2 needs to be 28-second brew time, 825 milliliters, and the vacuum time of 120 seconds. Cycle 3, you will change your brew time to 11 seconds, your volume to 250 milliliters, and your vacuum time to 110 seconds, and then you will press save. You're also going to need to set your stirring time to the highest level. We're going to go to a full 99 seconds because with the cold brew, you're going to want to really agitate those grounds. Again, we'll press save. And in this case, our milliliters is set to 2,000 to our 200 grams of coffee, putting you at a 1:10 ratio. All right, once you click it and you press brew, and we'll get started. So once your brew is done at approximately 8 minutes, which in comparison to traditional cold brew is incredibly fast, you can get your air pot ready and serve it over ice to chill immediately. Or if you'd like, you can refrigerate it and get to until it hits your desired temperature. And now you can enjoy. So this is how you make cold brew on the Voga ground control. You can find the ground control online at primacoffee.com, and you can head over to the Prima Coffee Community to find tons of additional recipes and great exclusive content, and I'll see you next time.